Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation, Chapter 18, Shloka 1 and 2. Arjuna said, I desire to know severally, O mighty armed, the essence or truth of renunciation, O Rishikesha, as also of abandonment, O slayer of Keshi, Krishna.
Chapter 18, Shloka 1. Arjuna uvacha sannyasasya mahabhago tattvamichchami veditum tyagasya cha hrishikesha prithakkeshi nishudhana.
The blessed Lord said, the sages understand sannyasa to be the renunciation of work with desire. The wise declare the abandonment of the fruits of all actions as tyaga.
Chapter 18, Shloka 2. Shri Bhagavan uvacha kamyanam karmanam nyasam sannyasam kavayo viduhu sarvakarma phalatyagam prahustyagam vichakshanaha.
Chapter 18, Shloka 1 and 2. The chapter starts with Arjuna asking a question about the two terms used in the Gita, renunciation, sannyasa, and abandonment, tyaga. As explained in the introduction, sannyasa without a spirit of tyaga is impossible, and if at all it is ever so practiced, it can only be a sham pose. So that true abandonment of the undivine personality can effectively take place, Lord Krishna, who is the slayer of Adaitya, explains the urges, impulses, and the motives that have to be given up from the next shloka, shloka number 2, defining these terms and indicating the entire significance of their connotations. Krishna says, totally giving up all desire prompted activities is renunciation, and abandonment is giving up of all anxieties for enjoying the fruits of action. Renunciation is the goal to be reached through the process of abandonment of our moment to moment anxiety to enjoy the fruits. Neither of the terms indicate that work should be ignored, but insist that work we must. Work can yield the maximum reward. Only the things which clog our efficiency are removed. Snapping the chains that shackle us with the past and the future, and working in full freedom and inspiration of the present is the noblest way to perform actions. Action is performed in the present, which in own time fulfills itself into as a result of the present action. And fruit is what we reap later on as a result of the present action. A desireless action therefore belongs to the present, while the anxiety to enjoy the fruit is a disturbance of our mind regarding a future period of time. A dissipated man cannot execute any work with steady efficiency and true spirit. Therefore, without the abandonment of our clinging attachment to the expected fruits of actions, we will not discover the full potentialities of our own personality. Desire is always ordered by the ego. Elimination of the ego is the sublimation of the individuality and reaching the realms of pure awareness through renunciation. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.